So in this video we discuss a keyboard shortcut to highlight a selected text in Microsoft Word. So after opening MS Word I am going to type here hi, and after that I am going to simply press these three keys at the same time. So after selecting the text I am already typed, that is I am going to type here. I am going to press three keys, that is control key, alt key and H key. So I press these three keys at the same time, one of my finger in control, another in alt and another in H. These three keys I press at the same time, then you can see that highlighted, that is highlighted EM. So the color it is here, it is yellow, and if you want to change this highlighted text color, then you can simply select this and you must press here, and from there you can select the highlighting color you want. For example, I am going to choose here the blue color. Okay, I'll show you once again. I am going to type here HLL hello, and I am going to press these three keys, that's the control key, alt key and H key, these three keys at the same time. Then you can see that now it is highlighted in this blue color of this video. As you for more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online.